diagnosis, and I still wasn't real sure what that was.
Lou Gehrig's disease, or ALS, is a neuromuscular disease that eventually results in paralysis and death. Once diagnosed, there is nothing doctors can do for a patient.
She just kept getting progressively worse, and I guess from the time she was diagnosed until she was basically an invalid was only about 6 months or something.
Nelda lost the ability to move her arms and legs. Confined to a wheelchair, she prepared for the worst.
I gave away most of my good clothing that I had, and I had my dress all picked out for what I was to be buried in.
Then, a friend told her about Dean Kraft.
And it was just such a relief to talk to him. I said that the doctors say there's no hope, and he said, well, that's not always true.
Dean worked with Nelda for 3 months with no improvement. Then, something happened.
In May, Glenn was showering me and I could move my toe, and that was so exciting.
Slowly, Nelda's recovery continued. Movement returned to her hands, then her back, and finally her arms and legs. Kraft continued his treatments as Nelda began her own regimen of physical therapy. Within a year, her recovery was complete.
It's wonderful to see her and her family being together and enjoying life together. Words cannot express the feeling that one has when this happens.
Okay. How's that?
Everything has changed. She's back and she's doing more than she ever did before. I mean, it's great to have a mother. It really is.